Turn on the bandsaw, take the red switch on the side, and turn it towards on. If it doesn't turn on, you'll need to reset the emergency stop button. We have 3 different options for blade speed: 1 for slow, 2 for fast, 0 for off. In the mode manual or semi-auto, manual will automatically feed the blade without the blade moving. Semi-auto, the blade needs to be moving for it to move down. Coolant should be put on to auto. Adjust the flow so that it has a steady stream coming out. If you want to switch the cut angle, you need to loosen the tight down and then pull the knob to allow to disengage the lock and then swivel to the desired degree. On the smaller bandsaw, to switch the cutting angle, there's a lever underneath the reservoir. You need to swing it to the right to loosen it, and then you can push the cutting head to the degree you want. If you need to move the vise for different materials and so your bandsaw doesn't cut into the vise, you need to loosen the adjusting screw and slide the vise left or right and make sure that the bandsaw does not hit the vise jaws. Make sure the vise is secured in place and the material is not going to move or roll. Turn on the bandsaw, wait for fluid to come out, and adjust your feed rate to about 2. Once it has finished cutting, you'll need to wait for the bandsaw blade to stop. If it does not automatically stop, you need to turn the bandsaw speed to 0 to stop the blade. Once the blade is stopped, you can pick up the bandsaw head and retrieve your part. Take all scrap pieces and drop them into a nearby metal bucket.